Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So for those of you that have been checking out my channels lately, kudos to you. If you're just joining us for the first time, give us a subscription, give us a like also. So I want to show you guys this strategy that I've been using for quite some time now, and we've been making good money from it. We've been making a lot of money from it. So if you're just joining us, give us a like and give us a thumbs up also. Comment in the comment section if my strategy has been working for you. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, do well to always check my platform. The link will be in the description below, and also check out my free signal group, which will give us signals for free. Like, we give out a lot of signals for free without asking you for a dime. Join my Telegram signal group as well for you to benefit more. If you want me to trade for you, no problem. We'll do account management, we'll do VIP signals, and that is it. You make good money with us, guys. You make good money with us. You make a lot of profit with us. For those who have been trading with us lately, they've seen how we've made a lot of profit. You can still comment in the comment section, and so let us quickly get started. So on this strategy here, you have to, it's almost as easy as ABC, but you have to analyze it. Okay, you have to analyze it. Checking on the higher time frame, the market is on its sell position. Okay, you can see it there. The market is on its sell position, but it works exactly as your time. So whatever I don't understand, you can come for mentorship. I will mentor you completely, and you're going to see how it works. Okay, so guys, give us a like and a subscription. Okay, give us a thumbs up where necessary. Share the video with your loved ones, with friends, and without much talk, we'll be doing a live trade. I want us to build a community of traders where we'll be trading live on daily basis, where people will be making massive money. You can see what I just said. It's on the sell position, where people will be making money massively. Okay, where you'll be making money massively. So we'll build that. So if you want to be among those teams, you just message me. My WhatsApp contact will be in the description below for you to message me. You can see what the market is doing here. So you message me, you make a lot of money from it. You see, it's on the sell position. Guys. So I just want to show you guys the settings and talk more about my investment platform, which is one of the reasons why I didn't go much into trade. So we do account management, we do VIP signals, we do mentorship. You bring your account to trade for you, and that is it, guys. That is it. Now, without wasting much of your time, let me quickly show you guys the settings I'm using for this video. But before I do that, let me show you how the strategy works. Once the red line on the indicator window 1 touches the 80 level, which means the market is going to reverse. It may take time, but it will reverse. That is certainly. So when it reverses and touches the 20 level, you still analyze it using the other time frames. Sorry for the call. You still analyze it using other time frames to check on it. You analyze it. So now, after analyzing, you place your trades and you wait. Okay, if you're using a small account, you have to be sure that the lot size won't blow the account immediately. It can withstand some blows. You understand? Okay, so this strategy does not only work for the volatility 75, it also works for the boom and the crash. So let me flip over to crash 500. Now this strategy is good, excellently good for catching spikes. So now as it's at this 500 down here, you see a spike just came up. A spike just came up, showing that our you see it became higher. It came higher again, showing that our strategy works very, very well. It works exceptionally well for taking spikes. Okay, for taking spikes, it works exceptionally well, very, very well for taking spikes. So if you want to learn how to take spikes and every other thing, comment in the comment section below so I can make a video about that particular type. I can make a video for you and analyze how it's been done. Okay, let's flip over to VIX 75 and see what it's doing. You can see it's at its sell position, a peak sell, like a good sell position. Okay, so now I'll flip over and show you guys the strategy, the settings that I'm using for the video. I'm using the moving average, relative strength index, and the Oshimoku. Now on the moving average, I have the period to be 11, shift to be 0, method is exponential, apply to is low, style is 4 pixels of blue, and levels, I have nothing on my levels here. I have nothing on my levels. So the relative strength index, this is how it goes. The period is 11, apply to is low, it's close, sorry. Style is 1 pixels of white because we don't want it to be visible. And now this is the color. On the levels, we have the 90 as take profit 2 for sale. We have 80, we have 80, we have 50, we have 20, we have 10. And on the style, we have 4 pixels of red. 4 pixels because we want it to be visible. Now, before I quickly show you guys the Oshimoku, don't forget our services. We do account management, VIP signals. We have a VIP signals where we give out VIP signals. We'll give you close to 6 to 8 signals a day. We also have free signals where you get at least 2 signals from us daily to grow your account. So check the link in the description. You're going to see the link to the free WhatsApp or Telegram group, anyone you want. I'm currently on Telegram now, so you can join us on Telegram and join our services on Telegram. Okay, so check out my investment platform. The link will be in the description below. Check it out. Then my WhatsApp contact is also there for you to contact me for any of our services. So now let me show you guys your Oshimoku. On the Oshimoku, we have the Tenkan-sen to be 5 on the parameter, the conjunction to be 4, seconds plan B is 2, and the feel, you have to feel it. There are how this strategies works. So if you want to understand better how the strategy works and how to analyze, you can message me. Okay, you come for my mentorship. So the Tenkan-sen, I have the 4 pixel of red. That is the only color I want to be visible. This is the red color here. That's the only color I want to be visible. The conjunction is 1, and the rest are all 1 pixels of white because we don't want it to be visible. Okay, let me just turn it on. Let me just put them on random colors and show you. Let me just put them on random colors and show you that. So we don't want it to distract us, but let me just change it on random colors so that you see how it looks. Can you see? Can you see? It cannot analyze very well now. This can't analyze very well for you. So we are all changing the colors. We're all changing the colors back to white. So that is the reason why we keep it like that, to white, so it won't be visible. Okay, you can see it has gone out. So give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe on the channel. If you have a suggestion on the next video I should make, don't forget to hit me up with it or drop a suggestion in the comments section below. You want me to, we also give us signals for boom and crash. Okay, you will remember on the starting of the video I said this is sell position and the market is at sell position. Okay, so guys, just like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one. And again, before I go out, please and please and please and please, you guys should join our live trading. Okay, I have been given a suggestion of where you want us to trade. Okay, so just join our live trade and make some money with us. Thank you, and I'm out.